Hey, Lewis, you got any gum in your pockets? I know you got some stuff, you little crazy bastard. Ooh. Are you working out those shoulder muscles, Lewis? You son of a gun, get over here. All right. So I was thinking, hey, listen, God damn these little log things. I was thinking, me, you, and Jerry, we hit the pub. All right, we hit the pub like we do in the old days, and just get a little crazy, in there and throwing the darts. And I heard the giraffes are gonna be there, and the giraffe. Let me. All right, see if I can eat this. All right, you crazy guy. I'll see you there.